Leave the bustling city life behind and enjoy being away from it all in this beautiful, immaculately kept home, encompassed by breathtaking mountain views and a charming country-like setting. Tucked away in a wonderful Candler location, with just enough privacy while preserving convenience to shopping, dining, the interstate, and downtown Asheville. It's the best of both worlds. Make your way inside to a beautiful light-filled split-bedroom floor plan with so much to discover. Features include amazing views of Mount Pisgah that fill the windows of both the family room and living room, cozy wood-burning fireplace, custom built-ins, lovely dining area, large kitchen with a breakfast bar, abundant cabinetry, and counter space. The master bedroom is spacious with a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and large soaker tub to relax and soak in the mountain views. The oversized back deck is perfect for entertaining or just taking in the incredible sights of nature. Hurry, this won't last long.